This book, How to Learn English, is very cheap. Oke, ini adalah buku belajar bahasa Inggris. It's very good for children. Harganya sangat murah sekali. Only you can buy in online or shop. It's very good for the children for learning English conversation and English grammar. This book is cara belajar bahasa Inggris secara otodidak, super lengkap, praktis, and mudah dipahami. It's a very nice or very good to teach, how to teach your family, your friends, your children in the home without teacher. Thank you for watching this video.